Can you open it?
Open the present.
Keep working.
It started at school, but yeah.
It started. He actually did that. Can you open your present?
No, I can't.
We're wasting precious video here. Dominic likes the paper. No, yucky.
Here, Daddy, pull out some of it.
Have Papu help you.
What is this thing?
That's distracting, huh?
Well, St. Peter talks about something like that, always going back to the first distraction.
Here.
He has more colorful words for it, though.
Oh, wow! This is from Mom and Dad. That means you and me, Will.
Come off.
Dominic, can you say thanks, Dad?
Okay, the little
Thank you.
toy things don't pop out.
Bye.